Hello students, welcome you to the first lecture of environmental engineering. So today we will discuss about water demand. So before discussing about water demand, first let us discuss something that is important about water. So we all know that uh, every one of us, we know that how important and precious the water is. So whenever there is no water in our taps, we become helpless. No life can ever exist without water, since water is as essential for life as the air is. And it has been estimated that two-thirds of human body it is constituted of water. Water it is absolutely essential not only for survival of human beings but also for animals, plants, and all other living beings. Okay, so we can understand how much important water is. So now, as we have understood the importance of water, so we can now come to discuss about water demand. So it is written here that water demand it is the measure of the total amount of water used by the customers within the water system. Okay, so whenever an engineer is given the duty to design a water supply scheme, for a particular section of the community, it becomes imperative upon him to first of all evaluate the amount of water available. Okay, so first one is the amount of water available and the amount of water demanded by the public. Okay, so the first study is to consider the demand. Okay, how much water is demanded by that particular locality. Okay, so that is your water demand. And what the next thing, the next requirement is to find the source to fulfill that demand, obviously, isn't it? So first, obviously, he will first evaluate how much water is needed. So he got the idea that this much amount of water is required in this locality. After finding the required amount of water demanded by the public, now he will find a source of water, so from where he can collect the water. So this is the main aim, this is the main idea, what is water demand. So it is the measure of the total amount of water used by the customers within the water system. Okay, so how much water you people are using in your home, whatever for whatever things you need water, so that is your water demand. Understood? Okay, so this is our introduction part. So next, in the next part 2, we will learn about the types of water demand.